I'm Dr. Tim Kosinski from Bingham Farms, Michigan, and I'm proud to present technology upgrades in retreating hybrid prosthesis in the February issue of Dentistry Today. We have a patient that presented to our office many years ago that was in a terrible automobile accident, and he lost many of his dental implants. And so we're going to demonstrate the more modern techniques of diagnosing, treatment planning, and the surgical and prosthetic applications. Here we were able to use our CBCT analysis to determine the quality and quantity of hard tissue that we had, and then we can use our software to actually virtually design the final prosthesis before we ever start. So we demonstrate the surgical applications using bone grafting, implant placement, PRP to help alleviate the poor quality of bone in the traumatically damaged dental implants. And then we go through the process of actually fabricating the final implant-retained zirconia prosthesis. Hope you enjoy the article.